This is one of the most exciting things and exciting options that we have right now. So we can do a lot of computational projects, and there's a lot of resources that can help students get started. And one thing that I really want to emphasize is that modern biology and medicine is really driven by data and the data that we have access to. So scientists now at the bench are routinely analyzing DNA sequences, RNA sequences, and huge databases that we have access to that are just kind of sitting there waiting to be looked at and waiting to be dove into by future researchers to make sense of them. We can also look at protein structures, microbiome profiles, population health data using computers, and there's a lot of publicly available things that don't require a financial investment or going into a lab. And there's a lot of tools that we can work with this data. And if it's not publicly available data, a lot of times if you can connect the samples or the database to the researcher, there's a lot of communication where they can give you access to that data so that you can work with it for your project and kind of get additional mentorship. So some of the project options that we have are like protein drug docking simulations, disease pathway modeling, microbiome and nutrition data analysis, as well as AI prediction of drug effectiveness. And some of the public data sets that you can use, and there's so much out there that you can go through, get great sample sizes to really dive into a topic of interest that you have. You can go on NCBI, Protein Data Bank, UTAPRO, there's a human microbiome project, Earth Microbiome Projects, the CDC, World Health Organization, Cancer Genome Association. There's so many different free online sources to get data that is not restricted or regulated.